I'd like to turn to clinical trials now. Why should a myeloma patient consider participating in a clinical trial?
The main potential benefit to a patient includes getting a new treatment for a disease before it's even approved for other patients with multiple myeloma. Sure, clinical trials have risks and benefits, but participating in a clinical trial is probably also safer than ever. What I mean by that is clinicians that participate in clinical trials are required to follow very strict rules and guidelines to make sure the participants are safe. And these rules are enforced by the federal government. Each clinical trial also follows a careful study plan or protocol, and that describes what researchers will do and when they will do it. And the principal investigator or the lead researcher for that clinical trial has the responsibility that the protocol is followed at every site that the study is available. So generally, that also means participants will get more frequent health checkups as being part of the clinical trial. And by volunteering for a clinical trial, patients are helping themselves and also the general society for patients afflicted with multiple myeloma.
Right, everyone who comes after them will be impacted. Why is patient participation in myeloma clinical trials critical to advancing research?
Clinical trials help researchers better understand health and disease. Clinical trial participation is actually considered the gold standard of providing medical health care. And in fact, every therapy that is currently approved for myeloma right now is a direct consequence of participation of brave volunteers.